Hi guys, and welcome to
Hitch Up and Tow.
We're back again.
We are. But today we have something slightly different.
We have.
We have been sent a product by a company called EDEUOEY?
EDEUOEY or EDEO.
Can you see that? That's the company name anyway.
Yeah.
We have been sent a lightweight, foldable camping table.
Yeah.
It did come in a box. We'll take it out of the box. The actual camping table itself comes in a nice drawstring bag, so you can see. Which I'm not sure, but
I think it's waterproof.
I think it's waterproof.
Yeah.
It's definitely splash proof, but yeah, I think it's waterproof.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, we're not getting paid for this.
No, we're not.
We're not.
But I am keeping it. So let's have a look. So firstly,
Legs.
we have legs.
Oop. Legs.
And the top.
Yeah.
Tabletop. So
How does this discombobulate? Oh, there we go.
there you go. Then we lift this up, this side, and you need to take it down until it fits in there, and it pushes all the way down, which it hasn't done yet. There we go. And the same with that one. That's all the way down.
Oh, that's quite smart, isn't it?
There we go.
Can you see that?
Then the top itself. This is all aluminium. Really lightweight.
It is very lightweight.
Top itself has some elastic band type things which will hold the top together, and there is the top. Now it's all aluminium. On the back of these, you can see, but there's a rod running across, and the same there. Those rods fit in these grooves. Okay, so how you do, it's not even easier if the table was upside down, but
Okay.
let's listen in that side.
Let me just lift it out this way.
That's in that my side. Goes in, that side's in, that side is in, and there we go.
That's quite a nice little table.
Easy to put up, isn't it?
Yeah, that is really
Can
sturdy.
you see me?
It's really sturdy. And it's quite...
I must admit, it is a lot sturdier than I thought it was going to be.
Yes, yeah.
You could actually, for a child, you could use that as a seat.
stool,
You
yeah.
could, couldn't you?
Yeah.
It's that sturdy. I don't know what the weight limit is on it. No idea. But yeah, for a nice camping
Yeah.
folding table.
You could also use that if you went... sorry. You could also use it if you went... like camping, like, you know, your
Tent
kids
camping.
tent camping, like
Wild
your kids do,
camping,
wild
yeah.
camping. Because an ideal little stool, or you could put your gas burner thing on
Yeah,
there,
could do.
or you know, something like that. Say burning the grass or the ground or whatever. Quite like that.
Disposable barbecues.
Disposable barbecues, even, yeah. I
anything
like that.
That is quite a
That
good
is-
idea. And considering it will fall down to the length of the table.
Yeah.
And to take apart, just unclip. And that come off. And as you can see, you've got the elastic running through, and then the loop on the end to hold it all together. So
I think that's a handy little table.
I do.
which I'm a bit miffed about because I've just bought a table.
So that is.
But we could put that between the two chairs, couldn't we? A little drinks table or.
So that's your tabletop. Fold down.
Yeah.
And again here, which way? This one? That way?
Yeah.
That one? That way?
Just
push it
concertina
together.
in.
There we go.
Very lightweight. That's what I like about it.
Nice little bag to put it in. Easy storage.
Yeah.
For us who are caravanners, it's ideal.
I mean, that is light to go into a back of, you know, the straps of a backpack when
Easy.
people are walking, hiking and
easy.
stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm quite pleased with that.
Yeah, I don't actually know what the weight is. We should have actually
Yeah.
weighed it or whatever. But yeah, it doesn't weigh in hardly anything, does it?
No.
Yeah.
We'll put the link up if you're interested.
Yeah. In the description below, we put the links to where you can get it, the link of the company
Yeah.
and the product, so you can actually look into it a bit more than we have.
Yeah. They also sell other things. You know, they sell camping chairs and caps and torches and stuff like that.
So go over and have a look. But like I say, that information will be in the description below.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I'm quite happy with
Very
what I
nice little
table.
item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
And if you like what you see,
Give us a thumbs up
hit the bell.
and maybe leave a comment.
Yeah. Because we always try to reply.
We do.
So for now, guys, we'll see you soon.
Bye.